or a challenge, and Mommy gonna say what is the title of it and how to do that game. So, Mommy, say it.
Okay, we're gonna play real food versus toy food. I have 3 little puppies here. All of them contains food, but only one has the real food. Okay? You must pick one, and whoever gets the real food has the point. And you must eat it too, okay? In order to get the point. Okay, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, pick one. Okay, open it.
Why the? Ito dapat pipiliin ko eh. Ito dapat pipiliin ko eh.
Okay. Lala
I have this.
has the real food.
Open it. I'm eating it now, Mommy.
Okay, eat it. Finish it.
So big. I want orange still, but never mind.
Okay, Lala has 1 point.
Has 1 point.
Round 2.
Yes!
Okay, wait. Are you ready?
Yes! Ready?
Okay, set, go! Pick one.
With the series. Okay, what is the side of this?
1, 2, 3. Open it. French fries. What did you have, Lala?
French fries.
Got pizza. Okay.
Oh, that was yellow.
Yes. Okay, Maya, eat it.
Eat it now. Go. Hurry. Can I eat it too? Mommy, kumakain sa akin ng banana.
Later.
She's speaking Tagalog.
Okay?
Namin.
Okay. Lala has 1 point and Maya has another 1 point. So, tiebreaker for Lala and Maya.
Yummy.
Okay, ready for round 3?
Yes. So, this
Yes,
is...
okay. Turn around.
No. Okay.
We're down
Yeah.
to our last round.
Yeah.
Can I get your banana?
Because it's yummy. Yummy.
Okay, last round. Recap. Lala has 1 point, Maya has 1 point, and
I wish
Alicia
I
has no point. Okay, last round. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get your puppy.
I got this. Okay.
Open.
I got. I'm right. Now I have points. So we have a last round.
Okay,
now.
open.
Why? This is
And
not
eat
the
it.
last round. Mommy, banana. And this one for you. Mommy, banana. Mommy, one banana, please. Yummy. Sweet. So I have 1 point. So it's time.
Yeah, it's a tie.
We need more. Where's my banana?
One more round.
Yeah.
Okay?
What?
Okay, we're down to our last round.
Again? Okay, and we're gonna pick someone else.
Whoever gets the real food will win. Okay?
Fine.
Are you ready?
Yes, this is fine.
Pick one. Okay, pick one.
What is mine? Oh my god.
Open.
Wait, we have yes! Well, it's yummy candy. Yeah. So guys,
Okay, open
the
it.
winner is Mirabella or
Lala! Yay! Congratulations!
Okay, wait. I'm gonna open it for you. Okay, God. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye. Wait, guys. This is the prize. Yes. Oh, this is yours now, baby. Bye, guys.